The Information Society Innovation Fund, ISIF.Asia, is a grants and awards program aimed at stimulating creative solutions to ICT development needs in the Asia-Pacific region. ISIF.Asia supports groups that carry out innovative projects using the internet as a tool to enhance social and economic development in their communities. ISIF is a partnership between the Canadian International Development Research Centre, the Swedish International Development Agency, and APNIC. ISIF also benefits from generous support from the Asia-Pacific Internet Association, APIA, the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, ICANN, the Internet Society, and the .Asia organisation. Since 2008, ISIF has contributed around 2.5 million Australian dollars to 59 projects from 22 Asia-Pacific economies. In the past 7 years, ISIF.Asia has received 807 applications from 26 economies. Projects that receive ISIF.Asia funds showcase innovation, cooperation, and technical knowledge. Communications infrastructure, disaster management systems, mobile health networks, and vital social development tools have all been supported by ISIF.Asia funds. These projects have the potential to create long-lasting social change in their communities by making communication cheaper and more accessible, using the internet to serve their communities' needs. Projects also reflect current issues in technical and social discussion, including IPv6 and deployment of wireless and mobile technologies. The Asia-Pacific is experiencing rapid economic growth, and many of these developing economies are represented in the ISIF.Asia grant program. ISIF.Asia has supported initiatives in Australia, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Cambodia, Cook Islands, India, Kiribati, Indonesia, Malaysia, Micronesia, Myanmar, Nepal, New Zealand, Niue, Pakistan, Philippines, Sri Lanka, Timor-Leste, Thailand, Tuvalu, Vanuatu, and Vietnam. ISIF.Asia encourages grant and awards recipients to share opportunities and their experiences. ISIF.Asia supports local organisations to offer internet access, services, and mobile applications to their own communities in their own languages. All final reports are published under a Creative Commons licence, allowing other projects to build on the technical and practical knowledge gained by fund recipients. The 2014 ISIF Award recognised ICT innovation across 4 categories: innovation on access provision, innovation on learning and localisation, code for the common good, and rights. In addition to the 4 winners chosen by the ISIF Selection Committee, a Community Choice Award was given to the project that received the highest number of votes during the ISIF.Asia Awards social media campaign. The award package for all 5 winning projects included $3,000 Australian to support the project's continuation, and a travel grant for a representative to join us here at the Internet Governance Forum in Istanbul, Turkey. Here is a brief introduction to the ISIF Award 2014 winners, in their own words. Rightssanaa Project, Malaysia.
The SINA project is an initiative using open technology and applications to systematically make important information public and more accessible to the Malaysian people. The project aims to improve governance and encourage greater citizen involvement in the public affairs of the nation by making the Malaysian government more open, transparent, and accountable. We've learned that a lot of local administrative boundaries are not available, and we're now trying to improve the situation for other developers by making local administrative boundary data easily accessible via OpenStreetMap and Mapit services. Thanks to the ISIF grant, we are now well underway to doing bigger and better things as an example for others to follow in Malaysia in building and working on a tech civil society organization.
Innovation on learning and localisation. Accessible reading materials for grades 1 to 10 students with print disability through DAISY Standard. Young Power in Social Action, YPSA, Bangladesh.
Welcome to Young Power in Social Action IPSA DAISY presentations. I am Bhaskar Bhattacharjee from Bangladesh. We are talking about DAISY standard, which is Digital Accessible Information System. DAISY can bring the change for the people with brain disabilities who are blind and low literate, ensure the accessible reading materials for them. We have been working to make the reading materials accessible, like digital talking books, braille books, multimedia books, which are now available in National Content Repository, Jatiyo Tattwa Kosh. We are talking about the books which can read by everybody, can listen by everybody, and can access by everyone. So you can see these books.
ISIF.
This is the books we are talking about.
Registered Nom, Ganaprajatantri, Bangladesh.
You can see the text of these books and same time you can listen, and there is a navigation facilities we are talking about. So we are making all the books in primary school textbooks in accessible format. Very easily visual impaired students can access these books. When I was a student, I didn't got a single books for a study in my accessible format. Now the blind children are able to access these books through Jatiyo Tattwa Kosh and distributing by different institutions. This disability rights law.
Bangladesh Gazette. Disability Law. ISIF. Registered Nom, DA Act. Ganaprajatantri, Bangladesh Sarkar.
This book is navigable. You can go anywhere in the books. Page number, heading number can be given there. So we have many volunteers who are working with us. These volunteers are always coming here, and our team members, staffs are working hard to make all the books are in accessible format. So primary school textbooks already converted in the DAISY standard, and also the high school textbooks are going to be converted in the DAISY standard. So students with brain disabilities, especially visual impaired students, can read it very easily. DAISY can bring the change for the people's lives. You will see some of the success. We are using all the open source software such as NVDA. We can read Bangla and English both by this NVDA software, and DAISY ebooks can be read by this software. So DAISY can be played by Android phone. We already got recognition through different organizations. Thank you very much.
Innovation on access provision. E-Action for universal healthcare coverage. Access Health International, Philippines.
The community health teams are the frontliners in delivering healthcare services to the poorest families in the Philippines. Each of the community health team partner visit 20 to 60 households every month, carrying numerous forms that they use in monitoring the health status of each family member. And these paper-based forms are actually adding to the burden as they perform their task. So Access Health Philippines implemented the E-ACAP, or the E-Action for Universal Healthcare Coverage, to improve the capacity of community health teams in delivering high-quality healthcare services, and at the same time facilitating in making their task more efficient and effective. The E-ACAP project provides mobile devices and trains community health teams in using an innovative web and mobile application called Automated Community Health Team, or ICHT. With ICHT app, the community health team can visit household using a tablet to encode and store the health profile of each family members, even without the internet connection. And once internet connection is available, this information can be uploaded into a cloud-based server that automatically processes health data reports. And these reports can be easily shared to government agencies and program managers to help them in decision-making process. So the ICHT app eventually expedites the development of individual household profiles, formulates individualized health use plans, delivers standardized multimedia messages that encourage more families to see a doctor. It also helps community health teams manage follow-up and track the compliance of each household. So with E-ACAP, we empower community health teams to help more families. And with electronic monitoring, the delivery of healthcare services to the poor families becomes faster.
Code for the common good. Connecting remote islands in Vanuatu with Light Gateway Network Access System. Tellset Broadband Limited, Vanuatu.
Hi, my name's Steve Norderbrook. I'm the CTO for Tellset Broadband and the creator of the Light Gateway system. Over the past 4 years, Tellset Broadband has been striving to create communications in the remote islands affordable for everyone. And with the specifically designed Light Gateway, we've been able to provide IPv4 and IPv6 connectivity for as little as $2. Leveraging C-band VSAT technology, we've created a unique platform that allows a site to be established in a community and provide them with Wi-Fi based connectivity and access via prepaid cards. In addition to this, it can also provide new business opportunities for the people of those communities by becoming resellers of the cards. The system works by linking a number of small remote sites together under one larger platform. Light Gateway handles the authentication, accounting and billing, providing individual connection shaping for user sessions. Through the use of per-minute synchronizations, the system adjusts the bandwidth across the entire platform for user load and demand. This results in a massive cost saving, as each individual VSAT no longer requires its own bandwidth allocation that would normally go unused if no one required it. Our platform, as demand changes, bandwidth is moved and reallocated dynamically to where it's needed, keeping the cost to the customer as low as possible. Each site comprises of a VSAT antenna, a router, and the Light Gateway NAS appliance, and finally a distribution switch. The last mile to the customer is then supplied via one or more towers with Wi-Fi transmitters providing connectivity to the customer. Depending on the customer's connecting device and line of sight capabilities, customers can be connected up to many kilometres away. Currently, we have rolled out 3 sites using this platform, and as funding allows, in the coming months and years, we hope to advance the project to further connect more and more communities, schools and medical centres to reliable and fast broadband internet. For more information about our project, you can take a look at our Tellset Broadband Facebook page or contact us directly via www.tellsetbb.vu. I would like to take this opportunity to thank ISIF, the selection committee and its sponsors for this wonderful recognition of our project. Thank you for your time.
The Community Choice Award, Sohoj Sanchoy, Easy Savings Green Networking Research Group, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, University of Dhaka, Bangladesh.
Our project Sohoj Sanchoy is targeting the rural unskilled people who can learn how to save money from their income earning. And this project is targeting the people who are not aware about how to expenditure their incomes, and especially the women who can save their money with the help of these applications. And our applications are developed in Bengali language so that the people who are undereducated, below SSC or HSC level, they can learn easily how to save money from their income amounts. And this project, if it is utilized heavily in rural people, can change the economic growth of our country.
This project surely increases the internet accessibility among the people in Bangladesh. Besides, people can have new fully Bengali video tutorials from which they can easily learn and train themselves and improve their life.
We congratulate the ISIF.Asia award winners and trust that the support received will help them to continue their journey, innovating, addressing the needs in the Asia-Pacific region through creative ICT solutions. As proud members of the SEED Alliance, we are committed to helping ideas to grow. We are continuously seeking for partners, sponsors and supporters to be a part of the continuation and evolution of ISIF.Asia. If you are interested to support ISIF.Asia, please contact the ISIF Secretariat at info@isif.asia.